Bit steep.
Not used to it.
Hello. Excuse me. Hi. You had some flies on your face. I've not even started yet. It's going to get steeper. Oh, we're getting high. Eagle crest. Eagle Stone Flat. That's the one. So I think. And there's Chatsworth House. There's the rock. I didn't get very far. I got to like there. Holy shit! Oh, I feel dizzy being up here. Oh, look at that! It's been Jurassic Park. Let's see what's the guy's name. People scaling that. So done just under 6 miles, 2 hours 20. Someone's got a wet arse and feet, and bridging.